Hey, thanks for joining us again. Here we are at the Uvas County Park. We're about to do about a 4-mile hike. We're looking to see a waterfall. And this wasn't exactly where I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be along the reservoir down lower, but who would have thought? Here we are, the county park for Uvas. Let's go check it out. Waterfall? Did we miss it already? Thanks for joining us. Here we are at Uvas Canyon. We're in search of a waterfall. And I hear water falling down there. And our, what do you call it, map?
The guy at GPS.
The GPS guide? Taking us up a hill. So yep, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, we're trying a new app.
New app. We'll see what's going on. One app reads it hard, the other one moderate. The young lady said
Easy.
Easy. We'll see. So if you're looking to come out here, just know that there's a $6 day fee to come up here. It's at the end of a private road, so it's a little confusing to get here, but not horrible or anything. Not very many people up here. Pretty nice, pretty quiet. So we're about 5 minutes into this walk. We're lost. GPS doesn't work out here. Who would have known? Tell you the truth, we're just following this fire road. See where it leads. So one of the nicest things about this trail is that it goes up and down, and there's a lot of manzanita trees around here. So, you know, these orange colored trees behind me, they're all over the place, providing us with some really nice shade. The twists and turns in the tree are pretty cool too. So yeah, very nice trail so far. Enjoying it. this has been a really nice trail. It's been running by the water. We saw some really nice waterfalls. The first part of it was a little rough on us. We did go uphill, but it was all in the shade, so it wasn't bad. It was just uphill. Then we came down by the waterfall. So we may have done the trail backwards, but nonetheless, still a nice hike. Okay, here we are with Trucker Ralph weighing in. What's your thoughts on this trail so far today?
Well, between a scale between 1 and 10, I give it a 8. It was pretty cool. Easy rolling up mountains and valleys, and the creek was awesome. The waterfalls were flowing really well. So yeah, I loved it.